So, ChatGPT, what is it? How do we use it? Now, in my previous video that you will have seen on my Instagram page, I shared with you what ChatGPT was. Now, what I want to do here is you can see this, I've got the version 3.5. It is not connected to the internet, but I wanted to show you that the whole point with ChatGPT is using artificial intelligence to help you with content creation, for example. When you're writing in ChatGPT, you want to ask it, you want to educate it on who you are first, and also so it can then work with you to create what you're after. So if you look here while I type away, I am a Instagram. I'm going to make this up. So I'm an Instagram. Oh my God, I wish I could spell. Instagram. Oh my God. Instagram influencer educating my audience on the use of Chat GPT. Please create me 30 content Chat GPT. Please create me 30 content Chat GPT Instagram posts that will help me to teach my audience. Please create prompt in a table format. Use the tone of a friendly and helpful educator. Okay, so these are all the things that I have said that I want ChatGPT to help me with, because I want to, when I'm putting the content together for Instagram, I want it to be friendly and educational. So let's see what ChatGPT does. And here you go. Just like that, it will create me 30 prompts that I can use in my Instagram. Now, the second part is I would take this information, download it to a CSV, go to my Canva Pro, and then upload it into Canva, and then I would schedule it and put it into posts. And then every day for 30 days, a prompt will go out in my Instagram feed to my audience, sharing a little bit extra about ChatGPT. Pretty interesting, isn't it? And if you use it to your advantage, it is there to help you. It's not about replacing people's jobs, but what it will do is it will replace people who don't use it. So if you're someone who is creating content for a company and you have a fellow person that is also creating content in your company and they're using AI and you're not, you will find that the job will go more so towards the person who uses the AI versus the person that doesn't. That is the reality that we're going to come face to face with. Hopefully this has helped. Thanks very much for watching. See ya.